Here's how to generate music using AI. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to open your browser, and after that here search for soundra.io. Once it is open, then here you need to click on create music. After that here you will see different music modes. Now here scroll down and you will see different modes like hopeful, sentimental, epic, funny and weird. From here you can select any of the music mode that you want to generate. I want to create a hopeful music, so I will select hopeful. Once you have selected it, then it will start to generate your music. You just need to wait for a while until it is done. So here, as you can see, it has created different kind of musics according to your selected mode. You can also play them one by one and select the one that you like the most. So I am going to play the first one here. So now if you want to download this music, you need to click on this down arrow icon and then your music will start to download. But before proceeding this, you need to purchase any of their plan and then you will be able to download it. If you also want to generate the music like this, and you need to click on the link in the description and then you can create as much AI music as you want. So this was how to generate AI music.